My friend's got this working day going on today, so just noticed he's got this new machine. You see this on eBay actually the other day. A couple of them came up, and this is the second one. It's a Massey Ferguson 701 baler. Unfortunately, it's not going to be working today. We've got a few combines working. Little Massey there, getting filled up ready. But it's, yeah, 701 baler with a PTO. Some of them come with engines on them actually. I want one of these. I'd like to have one. They do fetch quite good money though, decent ones do. This one I'll probably get painted up like a lot of his kit ends up getting painted up. I think, to be honest, there's probably not much point me getting one of these at the minute because I haven't got a tractor. So I have to get a tractor first. But there you go. I hope you enjoy it. First of many videos today, hopefully, if I can get my phone to work properly. There you go.